Just get what you need this holiday season. Speaking of that, right?
Speaking of that Thanksgiving holiday, just a couple days away, or a couple weeks away, I should
10
say.
days away now.
Just 10 days.
Showing up on our 10-day forecast.
That's outstanding. Now we can prepare what to wear on that day.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, we've got it in our sights, so we'll see as we get closer to it. But right now it's looking unsettled, which you'll see here at the end of the 10-day forecast. We're also looking long-term here as to what this current weather pattern that we've seen here in the last couple of days, how does that reflect onto the winter? We'll look at that in just a minute here. All right, this evening we have light rain continuing. It's coming to an end over eastern parts of Smith County up into Upshur County. This will end within the next half hour. And then you'll see the cloud cover extends all the way back to Dallas. We're not going to lose the clouds, even though we'll lose the rain here this evening. This is all tied to a low pressure area that's on the Gulf Coast, but the influence of the low pressure area stretches all the way up into Oklahoma tonight. So we've got a lot of cloud cover that's going to wrap around that low pressure area, and that'll keep us cloudy. Rainfall today, ½ inch at Henderson, ½ inch at Longview. Had about a ½ inch just south of Tyler near Troop, ½ inch at Jacksonville, probably more at Center. We'll see if those totals can get updated by 10 o'clock. Carthage about ¼ inch. Look at Crockett, ¾ inch of rain so far today. All right, tomorrow night at 10 o'clock, I've got a story on the 35th anniversary of the deadliest tornado in Smith County since 1950. This occurred on November 15th, 1987. And you'll recall just a few days ago, we had a tornado outbreak in East Texas. So it does bring to mind that we can have severe weather in the month of November, and we certainly did. And I'll go over this historic deadly tornado anniversary tomorrow night at 10 here on CBS 19. All right, we have dry air pushing in here, but it's going to push the rain out. But again, low-level moisture will hang on all night, and that will keep us cloudy and cold with temperatures in the 30s. But more importantly, when I look at this weather pattern, what I'm seeing is something that we might start to see again in December and again in February. We know the winter weather pattern is going to continue this week as it remains cloudy and cool most of the week. But if this comes back and this overall weather pattern is now just starting to evolve and it repeats, here's some of the thoughts I have so far. A new and unique weather pattern is evolving right now, and the storm that we're seeing this week is part of that. It will repeat this winter. So far, including this one, we've had 2 cold surges of air. This may repeat in early December and near Christmas. So modest hope of a cold Christmas is still in play. And maybe if we can get some moisture like we had today, oh my, it's still in play. Can't take it out yet. The November 4th severe weather setup that we had could return ahead of that colder air that comes in here. So let's keep our eyes on December 19th. Of course, we'll update this as we head through the next few weeks. All right, tonight, cloudy, gray, damp, 37 for the overnight low, lower 40s over deep East Texas. Here's our Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine and Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. All right, 49 tomorrow and cloudy. Rays of sunshine on Wednesday. It's frosty in the morning, 35, then 54. We stay cool all week, 55 Thursday for the high, 53 on Friday, partly cloudy. Saturday, partly cloudy with a frosty aim with a 20% chance for a shower over deep East Texas. It's sunny on Sunday, but we could have a morning freeze, and then we warm to 61 on Monday, and then we have a frontal boundary. So a damp day with evening showers coming in Tuesday, 57. And as we get closer to Thanksgiving, big travel day Wednesday, you might be driving through some scattered thunderstorms. I'll have to keep an eye on those. 1 or 2 of those could be strong. And right now, Thanksgiving Day looks unsettled with a 60% chance for some rain developing by the end of the day.